Hello everyone, in this video you'll see how you can export the EPS from Excel to Primavera by using the SDK Magic Tool. We will use SQLite database in this video, and you can also use Oracle database or SQL server. All you need is to select the tab of the database that you intend to use. This will be the video number 2 in this group of videos, how to export data from Excel to Primavera. As we know, when you export data to Primavera, it's recommended to import the same data from Primavera. Let us import the EPS from the database. This is the current database. It has only one item. And when we go to Primavera to check these results, we have only one item in this database. When we open the EPS, only one item in this database, and we will modify this EPS. If I have prepared this new EPS to send it to Primavera, as you see, all you need is to prepare a new EPS and send it to Primavera is the EPS name in this column and the responsible manager in this column, and you should draw the EPS as a diagram. The rules of drawing this diagram: each item in one row, and all items in the same level will be in the same column. This is level number 1, level number 2, level number 3, and then the last level, level number 4. The responsible manager, you will find the responsible manager as a drop list in this column. As you see, you have a drop list. It has all responsible managers, and you can select any of them. This is the new EPS, and we will send this EPS to Primavera to modify the current EPS. Let us copy this part, and we will paste it in the EPS that we have imported from Primavera. We will keep the current EPS as it without any changes, and as you see, it has a number in the database, and all of the new items will have not any numbers in this column, and these numbers will be prepared by the SDK Magic Tool. As a rule of using the SDK Magic Tool, when you modify or delete any of these items in the database, these items should have numbers in the first column, and for the new items, the first column has no numbers, and these numbers or these values will be prepared by the SDK Magic Tool. Let us export this new EPS to Primavera by using this section, this part of export. From the menu of the project, select the EPS and export this new EPS to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast and very accurate to export data from Excel to Primavera. Let us import the new EPS after these modifications. This is the new EPS. It's the same EPS that we have prepared. Let us go to Primavera to check these changes. We should refresh data to get the updates. As you see, this is the new EPS, the same EPS that we have prepared in Excel. If we open the EPS, this is the new EPS. It has the same changes that we have prepared in Excel. For example, if we intend to delete the bottom part, for example, to see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool, all we need is to change this N to Y, and this item will be deleted, and also all of its children will be deleted in the same time. Let us send these modifications to Primavera. As you see now, let us import the new EPS. As you see, the bottom part has been deleted. When we go to Primavera to check these results, close this, and then refresh data to get the updates. As you see, we have only the first part and the second part has been deleted. For example, if you would like to modify these names, for example, we will give numbers for this part, number 1, and here we will change this EPS ID number 2, and for this would be number 3. Only to know how you can use SDK Magic Tool. Number 4, let us send these modifications to Primavera. As you see, it's very fast and very accurate. Let us import the EPS after these changes. As you see, we have the same numbers. We will go to Primavera to check the results. Let us refresh data. Now we have the same numbers, number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. As you see, this is very fast and very accurate to use SDK Magic Tool to export data from Excel to Primavera. This was the second video in this group of videos, how you can export or modify or delete the items of the EPS from Excel to Primavera. Thank you and goodbye.